So this is the unpacking of my Dji Mavick Air with the Fly More combo. And I've wanted this drone ever since I saw it on Casey Neistat's review of it. And he just made such amazing shots with it that it looked awesome. But anytime I thought about buying it, my wife was nearby to remind me that we are having a baby and babies need food, not Mavick Airs. Luckily, I was visiting my mom in the Netherlands right now, and she got it for me as an early birthday present, even though my birthday is not till December, and right now it's July. That was quite an early gift, but I'm very happy to have it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, time to open up my Mavick Air. There is a sticker here telling me that it's the Onyx Black version. It's actually the only one they had, so I did not have a choice of color. But that's fine, black is a nice color. Alright. I think this is going to be the traveling case, and it feels like there's something inside. This feels pretty heavy. Well, I'm a grown man, I can figure out how to open this bag. Here we go. Smells kind of unusual. Let's see, what do we have here? We have here the propeller blades. Alright, let me open this up. First we have here the controller. Oh, that looks nice. Feels kind of heavy, heavier than I expected, but I think that's good. Gives it a solid feel. Alright, let's see what we have here. Looks like we have some extra propeller blades. There's 4 of them in here. Another 4 in here. Then we have this little charging station. Yeah, battery charging. Alright. Oh, here we have, yeah, these two. I saw this on a video online. There's 2 little buttons in there for the controller to complete the knobs. We also have a converter to go from, I don't know, micro USB to even smaller, I guess. Alright, keep that for later. And we have these 2 little buttons, which I'm pretty sure they go up in here. There we go. That's nice. I do wonder, let me take off this sticker and see, because somebody mentioned that they're also, oh yeah, there's already 2 of them inside here. So I guess I didn't, these must be extra ones that you get with the Fly More package. So I'm going to go ahead and take those back off, assuming that I can. Close this back up, that falls nicely. The quality seems really good. So I have all of that. Yeah, this feels good too. Alright. Let's see, this box is now empty, but I still have some wires here. This looks like a standard USB cable, but the other side is pretty unique, so I think that goes to this charger. No, it doesn't. Well, we'll see what that goes to. It might go to the controller. Well, I will figure that out later. Now we have some extra adapters here. I think the phone connection comes automatically with the iPhone connection, which is good for me because I have an iPhone X, but if you don't have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure that's what these are for. They're micro USB and maybe a mini USB. I don't know. Then we have 2 little things here. Actually, I have no idea what these are for, but I'm sure I will discover that soon enough. Alright, what else is in this box? We have here a charger. Alright. Well, that's definitely useful. I'm going to be using that. This one is the one that can charge multiple things at once. Oh, that's really useful. That is very useful indeed. Alright. Because we should have a bunch of batteries. Oh, here's a battery. That's one battery. That's two batteries. Then a European power cord. Oh, that'll be handy while I'm here. Once I'm back in the United States, I'll have to switch, of course, but that should not be a problem. I can just use a converter. This bag seems really nice. It's well made, sturdy, keeps its shape. That's gonna be nice. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I guess this works like this. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like we have a lot of manuals. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 manuals. Alright, in the box, quick start guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines, battery safety guides, propeller guards, battery to power bank adapter, battery charging hub. Well, plenty of stuff to read after my unpacking. Alright, then we have here the propeller guards. I feel like they're going to come in handy for the first flights because you don't want to bump into something. So that's going to be handy. Oh, and here I can sign up for Dji Care. Well, I'll keep that. Gotta read up on it, see if it's worth the money. And then finally, this nice little cage. This nice little case. I'm gonna move these over here because there's nothing else left in the box, which means this is the drone. Wow, it's so small. I mean, for a drone, I think it's just a little bit bigger than my phone, and it looks so nice. There's a lot of stickers on here that I'm going to have to take off, but it looks very nice, well made. I want to be so careful with this. Alright. I think that's it. No, I was wrong. There's more. What is in here? Or is this just for fun? Alright, there might not actually be anything in here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that this is nothing, it's just a filler. Alright, that's nothing. Well, that's it for the box. I'm gonna go read up on my drone and then see if I can get some footage from the first flight. Here's everything that came with my Mavic Air Fly More combination pack. There's a nice little case to carry stuff in. It can keep, I think, 3 extra batteries, your controller, and some wires, which is really all you need apart from the Mavic Air itself, which comes in its own case. There's 7 manuals for everything, including the charging hub. Even that gets its own manual. We have a Dji Care refresh card in case you want to sign up for that. There's 8 extra propeller blades, 2 extra connecting wires in case you don't have an iPhone, a simple charging little hub. All you need is a USB cord, it looks like. Yeah. Should be able to just plug that into anything, really. Alright, there are 4 propeller guards. Makes your drone a little bigger, but if it bumps into something, it'll be at least a bit safer. I have the charging station. I actually have 3 batteries because it came with 3, but one's in the drone itself. Then we have the controller over here, which is nice and folded up, and it really doesn't take up much space at all. So that's really nice. Then this wire connects either to the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air, if you want to download movies from it, or it can connect to the controller to charge it. Then we have the little case that contains the drone itself when it's folded up, and finally the drone itself, which really looks so nice. And it's not even big when it's folded out, and when it's folded up it just takes up like no space. You can just slip it into pretty much any bag, maybe even a pocket if you have large pockets. So yeah, that's everything that was in there, and it's really a nice set of stuff to get started. I can't wait to fly. So I've flown my Mavic Air a few times now, and so far I really love it. And there's a lot of options that I still have to figure out. There's a lot of settings that I still need to learn to play with, but it creates some amazing shots. It's a lot of fun to fly with. I haven't had any real issues. Occasionally I'll lose connection, but you know, that stuff happens. And I think there are still ways that I can maximize the distance that it can fly out. I'm also not pushing it, and the only times I've really lost connection is when there's interference, like there's trees between myself and the drone, and one time when I got close to something that might have sent off some interfering signals. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's worked out great, and I really enjoy just bringing it along whenever I go someplace, just in case I run into something that might create some beautiful shots. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. I would totally recommend it if you're looking to buy a drone. I can't say whether this is better to get than the Mavic Pro or not. I know the Mavic Pro is a little more expensive, so I couldn't say because I don't have that one. But as far as I'm concerned, the Mavic Air is really amazing, and I'm really glad that I have it. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think if you ever flown a Mavic Air, and I hope to add some more videos with some good shots made with my new Mavic Air.